I'm about to show you the biggest hack when it comes to lead generation. If you are not using a personalized video for outreach, you are not going to get a higher conversion rate in 2024. This tool is going to save you hours and get you a 5x on your reply rate. And I'm going to tell you this because I use this every day for my clients, but then this is also what's helped me scale my own agency. If you don't know me, I'm Molony Cook and I help you automate and scale your business. Let's get into it. Now, let me blow your mind. Okay, so we're going to click into Buzz.ai's Smart Sequence Builder. From here, we're able to send connection. Yeah, cool. This is where the magic happens in the message in LinkedIn. So when we're targeting outreach and we have yet not met a person, they're not in our first degree connections, we're doing cold LinkedIn outreach. What we can then do in Buzz, which honestly, if you're a female, this is going to get you a way higher conversion rate than your males out there. Unfortunately, it's a sad world that we live in. But come into the video section. And if you come down here, I'm going to show you how you create this. What you're going to see here is going to optimize your outreach to feel hyper personalized. And the reason for this is because if I'm able to create this personalized Loom video, but it's actually called a Buzz video and I only have to create the video once, but every prospect that I send this to is going to then see their LinkedIn profile in the background. Have you yet subscribed to my channel? If you've made it this far in the video, you're finding value. We've got to be best friends. So hit that bell notification and give this video a thumbs up because it helps our channel grow and it means the world to me. Now, comment below any tool that you want support with. I'm able to create content for your needs. Buzz has AI plugged into their platform. So not only can we create this hyper-personalized video, but then we can actually pull data from their LinkedIn profile to create a customized icebreaker. If that's not going to give you the biggest ROI when it comes to cold outreach, because this person, Molly, for example, she thinks that I've taken 20 seconds out of my day to go onto her LinkedIn profile and actually get to know her. So therefore, when I pop my call to action at the end, there's going to be a higher success rate because how I can speak about her problem, how I can speak about my solution, how I can speak about how I want to get to know her as a person. This is where social selling is very different to then going straight into the kill because I want to get to know Molly. I want to make sure that my offering actually fits with her business issues that she's currently having because we all have an issue. But if I can create trust and rapport through this video, she's ultimately going to click my call to action. So I can not only do this in a send message, but I can also do this in an email. If you want to see a full demo of Buzz, I've created a playlist, and this playlist is going to go through the step-by-step process of what Buzz actually offers. But not only that, I also have an onboarding program. Now, if you want to sign up to Buzz, use my affiliate link below because not only will I be able to get you a one-on-one onboarding call with Buzz, but I'll be able to make sure that you actually have success on the platform. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you soon.